Welcome to Ryan LLP Injury Attorney's YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about the topic which is called, what is an underride crash? We will also tell you about the causes of underride crashes and how Ryan Injury Attorneys can help if the car accident happens. Underride accident is a type of road accident where it involves a small car and a trailer truck. This occurs when the smaller car crashes and propelled towards the side or back of the truck below. Given that hood of small cars can easily fit beneath the open gap below the trailer truck, this type of accident is the most fatal. Underrides does rarely happen, but when they do, there are most common reasons why it did happen, such as trailer truck crashed and stopped immediately without notice that smaller car's hood ran into the gap. Small cars suddenly slide under the gap of trailer truck, maybe because of overspeeding or as a result of accident. Small car and the trailer truck collide along road, and as a result, small car situated below the trailer truck. Underride accidents are the most undesirable yet expected outcomes from not adhering to traffic rules nor impose traffic safety measures, as everyone on the road, both truck drivers and motorists, ought to work together and meet an agreeable behavior towards each other to avoid these devastating accidents. Ryan LLP is an Ohio-based injury lawyer that represents victims of personal injury caused by car or motorcycle accidents, medical malpractice, and even wrongful death against large companies. We have 40 years of experience doing our service in this field and evidently successful with our civil litigations. Our mission is to give every client our full attention, sound advice, and forceful representation at a carefully managed cost. We believe the results have set our firm apart. If you have any questions, please contact us or schedule a free consultation. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.